The era of deepfakes is also inviting the age of scams. Scams that change someone's future. Scams that cost from money to life. Now introducing the world's most advanced deepfake detection engine. Restore trust by analyzing artifacts, metadata, and pixel consistency. TruthLens.AI. Which test, is it real or is it AI? Our mission is to fighting neural networks with neural networks. Powered by Gemini 3 Pro Vision, TruthLens decodes lighting, context, and SynthID to reveal the true source of any image. To use TruthLens.AI, click the Launch App button on the homepage to access the analysis dashboard. Select your media type, image, video, or audio from the tabs above the Upload zone. Drag and drop your file or click to upload. Wait for the Gemini 3 Pro engine to analyze the content for artifacts like metadata inconsistencies, visual glitches, or spectral anomalies. Once complete, review the truth score, verdict, real, fake, or filter, and detailed forensic breakdown provided in the results panel to verify the authenticity of your media. Or let's assume you are on a web page scrolling through anything, but you just stopped and think, is this video is real? Then don't worry, just to drag and drop. And boom, the content is analyzing. But sorry, we are still working on our audio module and trying to create extension of this AI. Then only you have to click on the image to find whether it is real or not. Thank you for watching, and we are looking for a positive response.